Good morning, guys. Welcome black. Yep, we gonna be welcoming black. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 18. I don't know if we do Vlogmas up to the 25th of December or if we do it to the end of the month. Like, I don't know. But today, my room is a hot mess. But I'm not going to be tackling my room. I need to tackle this board that's been sitting up here. And now I have it on the floor in the hallway right here. This white board that you see right here. With the lines drawn on there. So, I'm going to have to cut this board for me to build a table in my closet. And I got my closet all cleaned out, which is going to be a whole nother video. Like, I already got that video pre-edited or recorded or whatever. But I am going to be cutting this board, and I'm only going to do one side. I've been having this board sitting outside for like 2 weeks. Like, sitting outside this door. So, I'm going to put you guys down yonder. Down yonder. Oh. Down yonder. And maybe you can see me try to cut this board. But I don't want to get sweaty though. So if I start getting hot, I'm going to stop. I don't have an electrical drill, which I'm probably sure my mom is like, girl, what is wrong with you? Why don't you go get yourself an electrical saw? But what I have is what I have. And what I have is this little fold-in type of little saw. So I'm gonna use what I got. That side to do where that line is up there. So I got 5 minutes. Okay, now I got this side, this board to do. Oh. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm so shiny. I had to put my hair back on. Showed in. Got a little moist, just a little moist. But now I have to vacuum up my mess. I got sawdust all down here. Should have took my slippers off, but it's okay. I'm just gonna vacuum up my mess. Where am I gonna put you guys so you can see me vacuum up my mess? Okay, so I got the board cut, and now I have to get the legs cut to the board. I'm looking for my remote to my TV, but now I got to get the legs cut to the board. So the cut board is right here now, and I have to do the clothes on my bed, but the board is cut, is right here, and now I got two short pieces outside. So hopefully I can get those cut. But it's Jelly Bean's nap time, and I just took a shower, got in the shower, changed, because after cutting that board and having all that dust on me, I just didn't feel right laying in my bed. After doing all of that, so I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the process. I'm not sure if I'm gonna show, if today I'm gonna have time, but I'm gonna try though. To at least get it halfway assembled, so we'll see. But first I need to give Jelly Bean his nap, and then I might have to cut the other pieces outside maybe tomorrow, because I already took a bath and I don't feel like retaking a bath. Or I can get Charles to cut the legs. I think I might have him cut the legs. I don't know yet. I'll show y'all which one I decide. So let me give him a nap, and then I'll be right back. Okay, Jelly Bean is awake now, and I am pretty much just got the bottom of my closet cleaned out. I got all of my supplies and stuff up there. Now I got the bottom of it cleaned out to try to measure how tall I want my table, and then I'm gonna put this inside, and then I'm gonna measure out these two pieces of board right here. So I'm gonna see what I can do. Look, say hi. Say hi. Hold on. Let me try to do it again. Oh, get that out your mouth. Say hi. Son, say hi. He's preoccupied, so we're not going to mess with him. He is preoccupied. My room, my bedroom is so messy right now. So messy. But I'm trying to get it cleaned up. Okay. Alright, so maybe you guys can see me in this little area. Where is my measuring tape at? Let me see if you guys can see in there. Okay, so it's not, hey, don't eat that. It's not all the way flush up to the wall or perfect, but I mean, it's okay. Hold on. Look, okay, you can stand up now. It's okay. Like, I just need a... Here, go this way so you don't fall off the bed. Good job. There you go. I just need a work area that is just all mine and where I can set stuff at and have storage. And like I said, I think in another video, it's just my closet is the only place that nobody touches. So yeah, so now I just need to make it high enough. I'm trying to figure out how high I want it. Yeah, well, you're trying to do a lot right now. Look. There you go. No, look. What are you doing? Okay. So while I try to figure out what I'm gonna do, I think this is going to be the end of this video. Yep, you got something that you're actually supposed to have for once. So I am gonna get off of here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about it not being right up against the wall, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do too much about that. I can just try to use it to my advantage by like sticking like little hooks or something back there so that I can have storage, like hanging storage behind underneath the table. But I'm not sure yet. Like, I'm just gonna try to maximize everything, everything that I can, like every little space that I can use for something. So if that means that I gotta crawl up under the table to get some things, I mean, that's completely fine. But now you got something that he's not supposed to have, which is the remote. Give me this. Look, here, take this. No. Here, no, look. No. Give me the remote. Okay, guys, so this is gonna wrap up this Vlogmas Day video. Vlogmas Day video. I'm gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna do. Once I figure out what I'm gonna do, then I will inform you guys and probably explain to you guys what I did instead of showing you me cutting up that the other leg. So basically, really quick, I'm gonna try to put a leg on this side and a leg on this side, and then a short leg in the front to make sure that nothing flops over. So that's what I mean by the legs. So yeah, guys, I will see ya tomorrow. You gonna say bye? My bed is a mess. I got backpacks and crap on there, but it's okay though. It's okay. Ain't nobody gonna freak out about it. Okay, guys, for real this time.